Hello, so I know I said we were going to Mildura, but we took a bit of a detour. The kids wanted to see their cousins and they wanted to come down to the hometown of Minyip, where I grew up personally in country Victoria, which is about 3 hours northwest of Melbourne. So here we are. As you can see, it's a Sleepy Hollow. When I was growing up, it was about 500 people. It's probably diminished to about maybe 250, 300 now. Still a bit of activity going on in the town, but a lot of shops have closed down. And as what happens with a lot of small towns in country regions, people move away to get their jobs, etc. So trucks still going past, so the place is busy enough. From a real estate perspective, what's happened? Probably 20 years ago, you could buy a property here for 50 grand. At the moment, it's probably around about 150K for that same property. So the growth in relative to city centres, absolutely nowhere near the same, but average median price probably about 100,000, and will definitely rent for maybe 6 to 7% gross yield as a minimum. So yeah, you'll never lose from a cash flow perspective, and there's very limited stock to either going onto the market or to rent. So my young nephew has just turned 17. He's got himself a local apprenticeship here as an engineer. So yeah, there are some job opportunities, but yeah, so sorry about the detour. We're going to have to change the name to New South Wales/Victoria Tour now. But yeah, our trip's done for Victoria, and we're heading Mildura way. I'm not sure we're going to get there entirely, but I'll keep you updated. Hope you're well. Talk